Hi, hello. Let's come back a little with ImageView, okay? Because when I teach something about a new element, probably I receive some questions, and I remember ImageView. We put the element using the XML, okay? But what happens if we want to use it with code? In my expertise, my recommendation is, well, it's a good exercise if you try by yourself, okay? But maybe if you can't, well, let me show you, okay? So my recommendation is, at the beginning, try by yourself. But well, if you want to follow the course, well, yes, you're welcome. Let's continue, okay? Well, let me show you, okay, one thing here. Remember, we have this. I will delete this line, okay, and I will save, okay. If I execute this, you will see the image view is empty, okay. We don't have the image view. We have the image view space. We have the definition is here. If we go to the design, you will see we have this page here. You can confirm that with the blueprint, okay. We have an image view space, but we don't have an image. That's a different thing. Well, let's put an image, but only when we are using the button. How we can do that? Well, it's the same. It's the same with other elements. That's my point I want to show you, okay. Well, let's define here the new element, the image. I will put image, 2 points, image view, okay. I will use the famous find view by ID, RID, and image. And well, you see it's very similar. You don't have at the end, everything is an object here. Object name, object button, object edit text, object image. It's the same, okay. You don't have to worry too much if you are working with an image or text. The difference, well, we have a difference obviously, is the properties, okay, the methods. But at the end, it's an object, okay. Well, we have an image here, and now let me show you. Here I will add image dot set image resource is the method, okay, and I need to pass the element here. If you remember, we have an image rid dot, and well, drawable, sorry, it's drawable what we need, and Android logo, okay. Well, I will save the file, and let's execute, okay, again, just 1 second. And if you see, we have the text view and the button, but if I click here, now we have the Android logo and the toast. Remember, at the end, these things always execute when I click the button here, because we have a set on click listener. But the thing is, the toast is a temporary message, okay. That's why we see the element, and later, a couple seconds later, it just disappear, okay. But when we are working with an image and we are set a value, in this case the value is still there, okay, because we assign the value. That's the point. So in this case, we will see that. Just to confirm again, let me show you, okay. We have an image view empty, and we have no toast, okay. Let's click here, and if you see, we have an image view and we have the toast element here, okay, for a couple seconds, but it's okay. And well, that's the way to change or add or reset the image view with code, okay, since inside this file, okay, the main activity in this case, or the logic Kotlin file.